Hello, assalamu alaikum, everyone. Good morning. I hope everyone doing great, and also I am over the moon by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, in the morning, firstly I wake up early in the morning. Then I went to mosque far from prayer. Then I came outside, and I decided it is a high time to make a video because this is a very fishful area. None one around me, and I am sitting on the bench. This is a village bench, and sitting down the trees. Everything is very natural around me, and I am very relaxed. I feel more relaxed and comfortable. That's why I decided I should make a video and share about my feelings or about my activities. Actually, today I'm going to share about my English journey and why am I making a video or pursuing English course. Actually, everyone have a purpose when he pursuing something like study or hard working for achieving something special. Uh, Definitely, they have a purpose. At the same, I have a purpose, like I'm pursuing English or I'm pursuing learning English. Why? Actually, I'm a learner now, and I'm a beginner. I started my journey 1 month ago, but I'm not able to read or speak very well. Just I'm pursuing my course because I wanna sit for IELTS exam. So I am an IELTS candidate, you can say, because next within next 2 or 3 months I will give the IELTS exam, and because this is my dream, and I will have a IELTS certificate on my hand. Definitely, I wanna go to abroad for my masters higher study. So I think making a video one of the best way to learn or improve my English journey, and it helps me a lot to improve my journey and improve my speaking. Definitely, we always feel shy and nervous when we speak in front of camera, in front of a person or our examiner, and or with our friend circle. Otherwise, anywhere, we always feel shy and nervous, anxiety. Always, I saw a lot of instructor and brilliant student, or they know very well English, but they can't speak well in front of camera or with friends or uh, any kind of situation. They couldn't English well, and so many times I see and I have experienced. That's why I decided, since I already uh, study I started my journey. So from this moment, I should start my speaking in front of camera, and in front of mirror and with myself, because this is the best way to reduce my anxiety and nervousness. I think it's my valuable decision. Inshallah, I hope that next 2 or 3 months I will be able to success speak fluently with confidently. Inshallah, definitely I will show in my YouTube channel. Only for one reasons I opened my channel, since I show my anxiety fear, and when during my speaking I feel nervousness, everything, because I'm not definitely uh, I'm something well than my current position, or in front of when I speak in front of camera or in front of my friends circles. At that time I feel anxiety and I can't speak very well, but my level something different, but I can't show in front of camera that knowledge or that which I know, or but so this is not important. This is not important. My important, I always explain, I share where I speak in front of, or where I know is in front of camera. That's why uh, this is the main reason uh, to speak in front of camera. And I think uh, how I started my journey with lonely or myself, and definitely it will help me. It will help me in several way. So everyone pray for me, as if I continue my learning process, and I will success very quickly. But this is not a uh, very this is not very easy to success in to success. Definitely success always come uh, in slowly and with hard working. So I should I have a patience, inshallah. I am waiting for my success, and I want to be a fluent speaker, and English is my fashion. So I will be continue in future. Okay, see you next video. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.